Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So this video is about styling this t-shirt in many different ways. So let's get started. For the first outfit, I went with these shorts and styled it with ankle boots, some dainty earrings and bum bag. I'm sorry for my voice, I actually have a little cold.
Intoxicating your energy. First time in so long you felt the heat. Evaporating your bindings. Move like the sunlight. Darkness can't hold you here. Bold and bright. Push through the atmosphere.
Okay, for the second outfit, I styled it with a shirt skirt. So basically what I did is I buttoned down the shirt on from my waist and just rolled the sleeves like so. You can also fold these sleeves inside out so that it will give you a pear shape body. So if you are going for a pear shape body, do like this, and if you are going for a A-line skirt look, then you should do the look I did earlier. Okay, so this look is totally inspired from a school uniform dress. So basically what I did is I styled this crop top with this spaghetti top dress and I paired it with socks and Oxford shoes.
It comes in waves and out of the blue. But there are days you feel freedom too. Bask in the glorious lightning. Move like the sunlight. Darkness can't hold you.
You can also style a crop top inside a slip dress with pointy tip heels and you're good to go. Okay, for this look I styled this crop top with jogger pants and paired it with Oxford shoes and some dainty earrings. You can always add a bum bag to elevate your look. And yeah, you are done. Okay, for this look I styled it with A-line skirt. Basically it is not a skirt, it is a dress, but you get my point, right? Okay, I styled it with ankle boots and some dainty earrings. You can also add a shoulder bag or a sling bag like this. For next look I styled it with wide leg pants. I'm wearing ankle boots underneath it, dainty earrings, and I'm done. You can always add those shoulder bags to your outfit and it will instantly elevate your look. For this outfit I paired it with boyfriend jeans and this belt. I added some Oxford shoes to elevate my look. This is how cool Oxford shoes are. Oxford shoes are literally underrated. You can always add a bum bag and you are good to go. For next look I paired it with these leggings and ankle boots and a bum bag. For next outfit I paired it with skinny jeans, high-waisted skinny jeans, and with Oxford shoes, and I'm wearing same dainty earrings. And yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you liked it. If you liked it, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon, and see you very soon. Bye.